Welcome back to SoCal Outlander ATV. While riding out on the trails, I think I might have punctured my front left tire. My tire just isn't holding air as it should be, and it leaks slowly. I have to get down to the root of the problem, so first and foremost, I pulled out my portable car jack and raised the Outlander high enough to remove the wheel. You're going to need an 11/16 socket to remove the lug nuts. These 4 lug nuts shouldn't be hard to remove if they're to the correct torque spec. With the wheel off, I take out my portable air compressor to re-inflate the tire. After a quick splash of water, I was able to locate the puncture along the sidewall. Even worse, there is also a 1-inch slash closer to the bead of the tire. I took my wheel down to a local tire shop, but in their experience, there was nothing to do but replace the tire. In my mind, my tire still had plenty of life left, and for me to replace this tire without trying to repair would be a shame. This is where, after some quick internet research, I came across a product specifically made for my issue at hand. So the product I got here is called TireJect Tire Sealant, and this is their ATV tire protection kit. The kit consists of a tire sealant injector, 4 10-ounce pouches of tire sealant, 4 valve stem caps, and in the inside of the injector, you'll find a small metal valve core tool. TireJect is easy to install and promises full tire protection, and permanently seals leaks with a mixture of liquid rubber. So the first step is to deflate the tire and remove the valve core with the included tool. Next, we attach the sealant injector, which screws onto the valve stem. Once secure, grab a TireJect pouch, and after a quick shake, open and pour the tire sealant into the injector body. Use the injector plunger to fill the wheel with tire sealant and clear the injector. Reinstall the valve core with the included tool, and then you may re-inflate the tire. Now what you want to do is rotate the tire to get the liquid rubber into every crevice and line the inside of the tire. The tire pressure should force the tire sealant into the punctures, as you can see from the blue rubber squeezing out. Now I must admit, at this point I was skeptical of the product as it wasn't curing, or so I thought. But to my surprise, the liquid rubber hardened to create a seal shortly after. I rotated the tire some more and gave the wheel a few bounces as a stress test of sorts, and the seal held up. going to reinstall the tire and see if it can also hold up with the weight of the ATV. Now with your torque wrench, you want to tighten the wheel lug nuts to 59 pounds a foot according to the user manual. I lowered the Outlander and set aside the portable jack to pull the ATV out of the garage and inspect the wheel. And as you can see here, the wheel seems to be holding the air pressure well. Well, I got 3 more wheels to fill with TireJect tire sealant, so let's get to it. I'll start with the right hand side wheels. Use the included tool to remove the valve core and deflate the tires. From here, simply repeat the steps as previously done with the sealant injector, tire sealant liquid, and reattaching the valve core. With the valve core reattached, proceed to re-inflate the tires. Now, even though these tires have no issues at the moment, pre-installing TireJect will protect my tires from flats out on the trails. Or as you can see here, I had the slightest bead leak on the right hand rear tire without knowing. I'll now move on to the left hand rear tire, which is the only one remaining. Again, simply follow the steps as before. The kit comes with red TireJect valve caps to easily identify the tires that have TireJect installed. However, I'm using my regular black caps for aesthetic purposes. And as TireJect says, we can now say goodbye to the hassle of flat tires. TireJect is for tires with existing damage and offers 5-in-1 sealing benefits with the off-road formula. You can use it on punctures up to 3/8 of an inch, tread punctures, sidewall punctures, bead leaks, and minor tire dry rot. If you're using the formula as protection, the liquid rubber prevents flats for up to 12 months. This specific formula is compatible with all off-road tubeless tires, but I encourage you all to visit the TireJect website to view dosage guides, as this varies based on tire size on your machine. They also offer an automotive and mountain bike specific formula. Last thing I would want to mention is this is not a sponsored video, nor am I affiliated with the company. This is simply a 100% honest review for a great product. Well, that's going to do it for this video. As always, have fun, ride safe, and we'll catch you here on the next one. At SoCal Outlander, ATV.